Back again on the channel with another video, and today we're gonna do an unboxing to Redmi Note 9S or Redmi Note 9 Pro, like it's known in India, for example. And this is the next Note model after the Redmi Note 8 from last year, and we're gonna find out how good is it, what specification is coming with, and how powerful it can be. I would like to say that this is the cheap beast in my opinion, because the price, it's not that bad. You can find it in China for around 125 pounds recently on a flash sale, and this is coming with 4 GB of RAM and 64 storage. Also in Europe you can find this phone on Amazon Spain for around 180 pounds, and quite the same in UK. So today we're gonna have a look, we're gonna open the box, see how is the phone, and we're gonna go through the specification. On the following days, because we got also Realme 6i, we're gonna do lots of videos, comparisons, speed test, and even with the Galaxy A71. Okay, let's have a look on the box. Redmi Note 9S Interstellar Grey. So this is the grey color. Also it's another blue color for this phone. It's coming in 4 GB of RAM and 64 storage, if you can see already. And this device, it's made in China, and you can operate this phone also in Europe. It's a dual SIM, and we're gonna find out a few more specifications in today's video. Okay, let's open the box and let's see what do we have here. Come on. All right. Okay. A nice package here. I presume this is the SIM pin and maybe a case. Yeah, this is the SIM pin. Let's take it out, because we're gonna open that SIM tray in a minute. And what else we got? Paperwork. We don't like this. And a case. Let's have a look on the case. Wow. Well, it's a silicone case, transparent, and a little bit black. So it's good, but I don't like it. Like I said in all my videos, I don't prefer the silicone case because of the fingerprint magnet. So this is the phone. Look at this color. Wow, that's amazing. Really nice color. Looks more bluish than gray, but well, we're gonna find out later. Okay, and we got an charger. This is an European charger, and support up to 18 watts. So the phone support up to 18 watts, but if you can see, I don't know if you can see better, this charger can charge up to 22.5 watts maximum. So this is a bigger charger in the box than actually the phone support. Wow, interesting. And we got an USB Type-C cable also into the box. Let's put all this together because we don't need any more. So we're gonna see the phone now, which is good. Wow, it's looking nice. If you can see, the camera are going quite out a lot. So this phone is coming with 4 cameras on the back, and on the front we're gonna find out that is coming with this dot display, punch hole dot display. Okay, also it's coming with this 3D curve display, you can see on the edge right here. And I like it that it's coming with glass on the back and also glass on the front, but into a plastic frame. Okay, let's find out how many SIM cards this phone supports. And we got proper dual SIM plus a micro SD if you want to put on the same tray, which is in my opinion best, one of the best. I do like all these phones that you can put 2 SIM cards and a micro SD on the same tray. So this is the trend now. Okay, let's find out what do we have also on the left side. Nothing else. Also on the right side we got the volumes for up and down, and if you can see, we got the fingerprint sensor, which is this time on the side. And again, I don't prefer the fingerprint sensor on the side, because all the time when you put the phone, because you're gonna put the phone like this into your pocket, you may unlock it by mistake, and probably is not a good idea. Let's unpeel this off so we can see the phone properly. Yeah, it's a magnet for fingerprints. Also on the bottom we got the jack audio and the USB Type-C port and the speaker grill on the bottom. On the top we got the AR sensor, so you can control your TV. And what else we got in the house? And now let's turn on the phone, and we're gonna see for the first time this dot display for Redmi Note 9S. Actually, this is the first phone that adapt with this dot on the display, and looks like Galaxy A51, A71, and maybe S10 Lite, Note 10 Lite. Yeah, okay, so we got MIUI 11 already, and also we got an 1 second, where it's already, and also we got Android 10. Also the phone support splash proof, so you can take it outside and will support a few drops of rain, if I can say. Come on, skip this step, check again, skip, let's move on. I just want to be quick, accept, and let's move over. The weight of this smartphone, it's 209 grams, which is, wow, a lot. And the thickness, it's around 8.8, so it's not too bad. Only this camera, which looks quite odd in my opinion. If you can see, yeah, looks a bit. Okay, fingerprint. I like to do a pattern for my fingerprints, and all of you knows my pattern now. Once again, let's move on. Okay, and now we're just gonna register the fingerprint. It's quite good, fast. Yeah. Come on. One more time. Even more. Wow, that's a lot. You need to move your fingerprint slowly. I don't like it slowly. Okay, let's move on. Location, no. Experience, no. Send, automatic, personal ads, I don't like it. Okay, let's leave on classic at the moment. Setup complete. So we got an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen with 6.67 inch with 84.5% screen to body ratio, and like I said, we got Cornell Gorilla Glass 5 and 450 nits type brightness like they said. Also we got a full HD screen with 295 ppi density, and inside we got a Snapdragon 720G processor. So this is with 36% stronger CPU performance than Snapdragon 712, and also it's stronger GPU than Snapdragon 712 with 18%. Okay, just a second, and that's it. We are on the main screen now, and let's have a look. Looks really good. You can barely see that dot unless if you move on the next screen. Let's see what else we got. Updates, not yet, not yet, not yet. And let's look on the K menu. So we're gonna find out mobile data, Wi-Fi, flashlight. Let's see how bright is it. Quite bright. Mute, screenshot, Bluetooth, generation 5, auto brightness, airplane mode, lock screen location, rotate, reading mode. We got also a dark mode. Yeah, we got dark mode here. Do not disturb and battery saver cast, so probably you can project your phone on the TV. Screen recorder, vibrate, hotspot, edit. And what else we got? Mi remote. Yeah, I like the Mi remote. I can control all the TVs from my house, so you can do that. What I don't like it's that this phone could be perfect if it would come with NFC. Okay, let's go on the settings now and let's see what else we got. We got a MIUI, which looks really good, clean, fresh, and probably soon we'll get a MIUI 12. Why not? And let's go on something that I like to say, battery and performance. Okay, 59% on this moment. And also this Redmi Note 9S is coming with a huge battery of 5020 mAh and support 18 watts fast charge. Also with this 5000 mAh battery you can play music up to 147 hours, or you can call 33 hours, or you can navigate for 16 hours, or you can play for around 13 hours, which is a lot. Okay, let's go back and let's check the settings here. So we got about the phone, let's go have a look. Redmi Note 9S, Android security patch here 1st of February, storage only 64 for my device, and we got all the specs here. The CPU octa-core, and let's see if we got the GPU here. The GPU, it's not here. Is it? No, but anyway, it's an Adreno 618. Okay, let's move back. So we got SIM cards and networks, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, connection and sharing, MiShare, cast printing, a lot of options and features with this smartphone. Okay, let's go back. We got lock screen on this moment, sleep, raise to wake, double tap, screen to wake. Let's have a look if it's working. Let's place the phone. Yeah, it's working. Also double tap. Yeah, it's working. And let's unlock the phone, which is quick. Well, it's quick enough. Yeah, alright, quick enough, let's say. Wakes, lock screen, phone notification, launch camera, or the pocket mode, lock, touch gesture when placing in the pocket. Okay, let's go on display, brightness level, reading mode. So we got dark mode here. Wow, it's really dark, but with that huge battery at the moment I don't want to. When device is in VR, notch and status bar. You can also, wow, look at this, don't hide, leave it like that. Hide without moving the status bar, or hide and move status bar. Interesting, but I like the notch, more screen for you. Okay, battery percentage 50%. I always like to see how much left I do have on the screen. And show connection speed, this is another one that I like it. Let's go back, see what else we got. Home screen, so you can set up your launcher from here. Google Discover, I don't like that. Swipe up on the home screen to open search, probably like this. Yeah, and open the search. And another one that is gonna be disabled. Fill cells of installs app, shake. So many features on this moment. Time, password and security, battery, additional settings, date, languages. Like I said, this is an global version, so it's coming with all the languages, which is really good. Let's go back, and I just want to show last the camera. Okay, camera, welcome to camera, cancel at the moment, scan documents, I don't want to. And we got one camera on the front on the display and another 4 cameras on the back. Looks like a, I don't know, funny face on here. And we got like this. First one on the left here, it's an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. And now on the right side we got an 48 megapixel main camera. Then we're gonna move back here, so we got a 5 megapixel macro camera, and the last one on the right here, 2 megapixel deep camera. Also we got the flash, and pretty much that's it, only the logo Redmi on the back. Let's see the menu, slow motion, short video, photo, 14 megapixel, portrait, night, panorama, pro mode. Okay, let's go back on the photo, video. Let's go on the settings and let's see more options. We got movie frame, time lapse, straighten, video quality. Let's see, we can record up to 4K. Wow, this is really good. So 4K video quality, 720 and full HD. More settings now. We got image stabilizations, time lapse, low marking videos, and video encoder, save previous mode, volume buttons, functions. I like the zoom on this one. Save location, info, sound for camera, pocket mode, anti-banding, 50 Hz, 60 Hz, and pretty much that's it. And the photo, let's see. Quite the same, timer camera frame 3:4, 19:16, full 1:1, and again 3:4. Go tilt shift Google Lens macro. This option is if you want to do that close pictures and docks. More settings now, watermark and watermark, device watermark, custom watermark, add timestamp on photos, live tips, correct distortions in ultra wide shots, picture quality, volume buttons, functions. I like again zoom, focus and shot, press and hold shutter button, scan QR codes. Wow, so many. And on the front, like I said, we got a 16 megapixel camera. Okay, now, and we're just gonna have a quick look on a video that I've done with Redmi Note 9S in full HD at this moment. It's looking alright, not that bad. And let's have a look on the photos. This is with the 48 megapixel camera and looks really good. Let's move on. This is AI quad camera, 2x zoom, and the last one it's only normal and looks pretty good. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, so I hope I just said everything about this new phone release by Xiaomi. So hope you liked this video. It was an unboxing, quite long, and I did try to cover all the specification that this new phone is coming with. And what can I say? Give it a like, share, subscribe if you want, and see you next time with another video.